Big affiliate marketing mistakes beginners make. Over the years, I've made a lot of affiliate marketing mistakes. And I've watched a lot of others do the same thing. Like how about the time I spent hours working on a detailed affiliate review for a product I loved, only to find out they discontinued their affiliate program. Yeah, over the years I've done a lot of stupid things that have cost me a lot of money. But there are 6 specific affiliate marketing mistakes I've made over the years that have hurt the most. Some of these mistakes I made in a bigger way than others, and in some cases, they're things I've seen our students and viewers make over and over again. So today, I'm going to show you what those mistakes are, and give you specific tips for what to do so that you don't fall into the same traps with your marketing. The biggest affiliate marketing mistakes beginners make. Number 1, you're not authentic. There are all kinds of shady affiliate marketers out there. You've probably encountered a few, I know I have. Well, ignore them. In this video, we're talking about how to do it the legit way. The right way. So let's start. One of the big pitfalls people fall into is they create a niche site for their marketing, and then all of a sudden lose all sense of authenticity. Trust is absolutely crucial if you want to build a long-term brand with real clients, who trust you. So with all the content you create, be open, honest, and truthful. If a product sucks, tell your readers. If it's awesome, tell them that too. Tell stories of your personal experiences, and don't be afraid to make yourself look bad if it is going to help someone else out, like I'm doing by admitting some of these affiliate marketing mistakes I've made. Number 2, publishing low-quality content. Whether you like it or not, your content is your product as an affiliate marketer. Clicks are simply a result of great content that readers deem valuable and credible. Above all else, affiliate marketers should strive to produce high-quality content. Far too many affiliates think that 10 mediocre posts will outperform one great post. This isn't the case. When it comes to producing high-quality posts, there are a few steps to keep in mind when attempting to outrank the competition. Once you've identified the topic, you'll need to do keyword research to uncover what it will take to outrank the competition. Did you add photos to your post? Did you create a video for your post? Did you spend any time doing outreach and telling others about your post? Number 3, you don't update old content. Here's a little secret: it's way easier to update and improve content you've already written and ranked for than it is to create all new content from scratch. 4, not having a deep understanding of what you're selling. One of the common mistakes we often see with affiliate marketers is not investing the time to learn about what they're talking about. Don't underestimate the fact that your readers are savvy. With the world's information at their fingertips, potential customers will be ready and willing to call your bluff if you don't know what you're writing about. Equip yourself with the knowledge necessary to earn your readers' and viewers' trust and engagement through your content. This will help in the long run. 5, you're not building an email list. My email list has hands down been the single most effective way for me to market anything. Whether it's selling an affiliate product or one of my own courses, email is far and away the most effective way to both build a relationship with your audience and turn them into customers. So if you're not designing your site to help you optimize for building your email list, you're leaving a lot on the table. How do you build an email list? Here's the quick version of how I'd go about building an email list. Sign up for a good email software. I will leave in the description some recommendations of the tools to start. This is the email software where you will store your email addresses and send emails to your list. Create a killer free opt-in, something that will entice visitors to your site to want to sign up for your list. This is the tool I use to create opt-in forms, pop-ups, etc. Send out regular emails with good content that hit the sweet spot of what your readers care about. The process of building an email list isn't super hard, it's putting all that stuff in place and being consistent with it. List building takes time, so don't give up on it, and you'll find it can be one of your best sources of generating income. 6. Not utilizing evergreen content. The internet moves fast and it's up to us as content publishers to keep up. Articles and videos such as the Best X of 2025 have their importance in online marketing. However, you should balance this content with sustainable, evergreen content, particularly for long-term link building value. Don't make these affiliate marketing mistakes. Alright, I've shared with you the biggest affiliate marketing mistakes I've made so you don't have to follow in my footsteps. If you avoid just these 6 mistakes, you're going to be in great shape to start making the most of your affiliate marketing potential. Want more help starting out affiliate marketing? Check out our free training. It walks you through everything you need to know to start building a successful affiliate business. Click the link in the description to learn more and subscribe to the channel.